Let me guess, you have tried freelancing, maybe even done a few paid projects, but deep down inside, you still feel stuck.
You have watched hundreds of YouTube videos, even sent cold DMs, thinking something will work out, but it's still a guesswork.
You are doing 10 rounds of revisions for 5,000 rupees clients, you're tired, you love what you do, but freelancing, it has started to feel a little broken.
We have been there. Not long ago, we were in college, still taking up projects for 5,000, even 6,000 rupees.
We did not have any mentors, we did not have any plan, we were just relying on YouTube and our luck.
Some months we made 30,000 and others nothing.
But over time, we started to see some patterns. We made a lot of mistakes, learned from them, and then built a powerful system that changed every single thing for us.
A system that took us from chaos to clarity.
Hi, I'm Bhavya.
And hey, I'm Harpreet.
Today we run Grotto, a UX design studio which is award-winning and it works globally with clients from 30 plus countries. We've worked with Fortune 500 companies like Colgate, Maruti Suzuki, Budweiser, and many more.
We started as freelancers and have built a team of 20 plus people. And we did it all bootstrap. No funding, no investors. Just strategy, systems, and consistency.
We're also top rated on some of the biggest freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer.com, and TopTal with over 3 crore in verified freelancing earnings. And now we have taken every single thing that has worked for us and we have built something for you. These are the exact systems we use in our business on a day-to-day basis. We now run an agency which has earned over 10 crore rupees in the last 3 years.
Inside this system, you will get the exact DM script we use to close an $8,000 client.
How we break down our pricing strategy suited to Indian freelancers.
Sales call structures that turn nervous freelancers into confident pitchers.
Actual legal systems, proposals, contracts we still use in our business.
Portfolio secrets for creative professionals that we have learned from getting thousands of professional resumes. And the most important mindset shift that you need to make as an Indian freelancer.
And that's not all. You also get access to a private WhatsApp community to network with like-minded freelancer, where we also give one-on-one support to you 24/7. Additionally, there would be live Q&A calls every single month where Harpreet and I will directly get a chance to chat with you guys and solve all your queries from this course. And 30,000 rupees worth of resources and business-ready templates for you, which includes proposals, DM scripts, personal branding guides, and a lot more included in this course for free. You get lifetime access to this course so that you can learn at your own pace.
You don't have to guess anymore and you don't have to do it alone.
Join Lumo and Freelance Formula so that you can start building the life of your dreams practically and in a no bullshit way. We'll see you inside the course.